Well, just to clarify, we don't expect all of those 24,000 to be constructed in 365 days. Kasi historically, hindi talaga nangyayari yon. But at the very least, maumpisahan yan. Kasi nakikita natin it takes sometimes even 2 to 3 years to finish these classrooms. Kasi yung release ng pera, hindi January. Minsan sa June or sa October. So it carries over to succeeding years. So, but definitely, ang plano dito is about uh, at the most 25% will be DPWH based. So that's you're talking about maybe 6,000. Although sinabi ni Sec Vin sa amin na they want to be conservative and they're looking at 2,000 classrooms. So we have to really settle that with the Sec Vins and DPWH. Ilan talaga yung kaya nilang i-construct of the 24,000. And then dun sa LGUs, yun naman ang opposite. Sila gustong-gusto nila na i-take on. They want as much of the construction to be downloaded to them. So yun, hopefully mabigay ng DBM kagad yung pera para ma-download namin sa local government. So we're talking about the possibility of 80 provinces, 160 cities, hopefully several of the 1,600 municipalities, hindi na barangay pero hanggang municipality na lang yung pwedeng mag-construct. So anyone who has the capacity, tapos meron din the provision in the General Appropriations Act, pinapayagan din yung mga civil society organizations, NGOs, na may proven record of constructing. So marami tayo niyan, yung Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers, yung Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, may mga foundations na may record of building. And yun man, pwede natin ibigay sa kanila yung last mile school construction. Dahil yun, wala masyadong takers yun eh. So, yun, pwede natin i-download sa kanila.